जी पद्मनाभम, एस रवि रविनय, एम शिवराम कृष्णा,
కొంచెం ఓకే
ఓకేనా
సెకండ్ ఓకే రిప్లై ఇద్దండి ఎవరు ఓకే సెకండ్ ఓకే ఓకే ఎవరు రిప్లై ఇద్దండి ఓకే.
The runners of the Kishore Memorial Cricket Cup are 4th year civil.
కొంచెం ఇటు సార్ ఓకే.
The winners of the Premier League Cricket Cup are ANS Yamil J. Total Naidu, captain of the team.
to be ready. I request the runners to come on.
ఇది జరపండి ఇంకా జరపండి. ఫ్రంట్ ఓకే వన్స్ అగైన్.
Next event is volleyball. K. Abhishek, P. Suresh, S. Harshit Kumar.
ఓకే మేడం కొద్దిగా
Runners of the volleyball are PP department. We Akhil, the captain of the team, are
ఎవరు రిప్లై
and
ఇద్దండి
followed by the teammates J. Appal Naidu, S. Mohan Rao, K. Divakar, and Vishwati is basketball. And the winners are M. Pramod Kumar, the captain of the team, and followed by the teammates M. Sahil, B. Manohar Reddy, T. Sai Sujan, M. T.
జరగండి అమ్మా ఎస్ ఓకే ఓకే అలా ఉండండి రిప్లై ఇద్దు
తెచ్చి పక్క వచ్చి
ఇద్దమ్మా చూడండి కెమెరా చూడండి అందరూ ఓకే ఇంతకే
Captain of the team and the team followed teammates YBS Nitin, S. Ramakrishna, S. Sanjeev Rao, N. Akhil, Y. Manohar, K. Leela Narendra, B. Ramu, C. H. Chandu, K. Vivek are requested to come and please stay near the stage.
ఎవరు రిప్లై ఇద్దమ్మా ఓకే ఇంతకే
అలా ప్రియాంక సెంటర్ రాసినట్టుంది కదా కొద్దిగా డెటాల్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకో కూడా
Next category is football and the winners are G. Ravi Prakash, 3rd year Triple E, D. Mutyala Dheeraj, 1st year ECE, D. Nanda Karthik, 1st year Satvik, G. Vivek, A. Ajay Kumar, G. Praveen, T. Dinesh are requested to come and stay near the stage please.
Ratan, U. Durga Prasad, G. Nagaraju, G. Jagadeshwar Rao, T. Sundar, Shiva Sundar,
అలా సరిపోద్దా
yes.
ఓకే అందరు కెమెరా చూడండి అమ్మా రిప్లై ఇద్దు ఓకే ఇంతకే జీపీరా
The next event is badminton singles. M. Harsha, first year BTech, AIDS, the winner of badminton singles.
బ్యాడ్మింటన్
The runner is J. Sandeep, third year AIML. I request you to stay near the stage. I request M. Harsha, the winner of badminton singles, and J. Sandeep, runner of badminton singles, to come and be ready at the stage. Badminton doubles. J. Sandeep and K. Neeraj won first prize, third year, and K. Neeraj are the winners of badminton doubles.
వన్స్ అగైన్
T. Shekhar Sahu and B. Nanda, runners of badminton doubles. I recommend J. Sandeep and K. Neeraj, the winners of badminton doubles. And Shekhar Sahu and B. Nandin, runners of badminton doubles. The next category is caroms. K. Mahesh Babu and M. Lakshmana are the K. Mahesh Babu is the winner of caroms and Lakshmana is runner of caroms. I request you to and runner M. Lakshmana to be ready at the stage.
Sir, PD sir. PD sir.
The next category is chess. Yes, Hari is the winner of chess and K. Krishna Vamsi. I request you to be ready at the stage.
పక్కన కొండ్రా
H. Hari, second BTech degree and K. Krishna Vamsi. Next category. Next category is table tennis. The winner of table tennis is M. Lakshmana, fourth civil, and runner is LVNSS Shanmukha. I request you to come near the stage. Shanmukha, first BTech ECE.
The next category is athletics for boys. 100 meters run, J. Sandeep, third year A. The next event is 400 meters run, D. Pawan, Salathi secured first place. V. Rahul, first year mechanical secured second place. M. Kalyanapana, V. Rahul scored first, second, third places. D. Pawan Sarathi, V. Rahul, M. Kalyan Babu, please be ready.
అవునండి కనపడదు
ఓకే
హలో ఇంతమంది సౌండ్
The
అవుతుందండి
next event, 800 meters running, D. Pawan Sarathi, third year BTech CSC secured first place. M. Kalyan Babu, fourth year BTech ECE secured second place. K. Omkar Ashok, third year BTech CSPS secured third place. Please be ready. Pawan Sarathi, M. Kalyan Babu, Omkar Ashok, please be ready near the stage.
Third year AIML bag silver medal. P. Avinash, third year IT bag bronze medal. I request you to come near the stage. I request Sandeep and Avinash to come near the stage. Shot put winners.
జాంగడ పోయింది రమ్మనరా
ఓకే
Then first year MTech mechanical bag bronze medal. We request them to come near the stage.
చచ్చిపోతారని చూడండి ఇంతేనా పాపం
తిరగమ్మా
Yes, Sai Manohar, 3rd CSPS. Please come here to see. The next event is Javelin Throw. K. Purnak Sai Kumar, 4th year mechanical bag gold medal, mechanical bag bronze medal. I request you to come near the stage.
చోట్ల కొట్టే
I request K. Purna Sai Kumar, K. Lakshmana, M. Brahmaji, winners of Javelin Throw to come near the stage. B. Amarnath, 2nd year ECE bag gold medal. B. Mohan Sai Charan, 2nd year ECE bag silver medal. J. Sandeep, 3rd year AML bag bronze medal. I request you to come near the stage. Long jump, V. Amarnath, V. Mohan Sai Charan, J. Sandeep. I request you to come near the stage.
ఏంటి
The next
షెట్లు ఎన్ని కోవిడ్
The next category is throw ball for girls, and the winners are P. Rushda, the captain of the team, followed by the teammates P. Yashashwini, V. Nandini, R. Akila, B. Purnadishwari, D. Saharudya, D. Prasanna, V. Devisri, V. Akshaya to be ready near the stage.
The runners are P. Reshma, R. Nikita, S. Bhavya, M. Srivalli, G. S. Harshini, K. Jessie, M. Chashma. To be ready near the stage. I request the runners to come near the stage. The next event is basketball for girls. B. Nikila, captain, followed by the team K. J. Pallani, S. K. Karun, Kadur Nisha, A. Meghana, S.
Ball are D. Saharudya, the captain of the team, followed by the teammates K. Sai Prasanna, P. Lalita, P. Rushka, A. Geeta, P. Akshaya, D. Pavitra, D. Niharika to be ready near the stage, please.
మెట్రన్
ఎవరు రెప్ అయిద్దామా
ఎక్కి అదక్కడ
The next category is cadets. R. Akila, Srivalli, second year.
ఓకే అమ్మా ఇచ్చోండి అమ్మా సరే ఓకే ఎవరు రెప్
A. Bruhadi, third year BTech. Please be near the stage. Nancy, third year BTech Triple E secure first place. I. Ramya Harika, third year BTech CSPS secure second place.
మేడం
Next category is Tennis doubles. R. Teja, N. Parshita, second year BTech ECE and third. Stage. Please come here to the stage. The next category is badminton doubles. P. Rakshita,
fan
P.
mana
Vishwa, third year B.Tech CS. Please come near to the stage. Tejaswini and Jahnavi, please come on to the stage.
So girls, 100 meters. G. Pravina, third year IT, bag gold medal. J. Leela
Diary,
Kumari, first
diary.
year AIDS, bag silver medal. P. Akshaya, third year IT, bag bronze. 200 meters. G. Pravina, third year. Pravina, P. Pranati, Pranita, J. Leela Kumari, G. Prayesh bag, bronze medal. I request you to come near the seat.
మేడం సార్ హరిసార్ అడుగు పంపుతారు
Third year ID bag, bronze medal. I request you to come near the seat. K. Bhuvaneshwari, second year mechanical bag, gold medal. R. Akila Srivalli, second year civil bag, silver medal. D. Samhrudaya, third year. Next event is shot put, bronze medal. I request you to come near the seat.
The next category is athletics overall champ. Mr. J. Sandeep, third year B.Tech AML, please be ready. Please be ready. Ms. G. Pravina, third year B.Tech IT.
Now it's time for faculty sports achievements. The A. Neelima, captain, followed by the team A. Ashwini Priyanka, M. Janaki Devi, Rekha Madhavi, T. Rama Tulsi, Banu Priya.
Repeat and over, okay?
The next category is shuttle badminton single. V. Rohini, the secured first place. Yes, Swati, ECE. V. Rohini, IT secure first place. Yes, Swati, EC department score second place. The next event, shuttle badminton.
Okay.
V. Rohini madam and N. Devaka madam secure first place in shuttle badminton doubles. Please be ready. B. and Bharati ma'am, S. Swati ma'am secured second place in shuttle badminton doubles. B. Rekha Madhavi ma'am secured second place in chess. Please be ready. Department secured second place. Please be ready. Department secured second place in carom singles. Please be ready. Bharati ma'am EC secured first place. Dr. I. Sweta Maulia secured second place in Tennicoid doubles.
The next event is staff cricket IT department. Dr. K. Lakshmipati Raju, Mr. M. Shrikant, Mr. V. Sai Baba, Mr. M. Krishna Satyavarma, Mr. Lokesh, Mr. V. Lokesh. I request you all to take.
Sri B. Manoj, Sri A. Suresh, Sri P. Bhaskar, Sri K. Venkatesh, Sri K. Chari, Sri D. Vinod Kumar, Sri V. Subramaniam, Sri K. Solman Raju, Sri M. Satish, V. Yugandhar, please be ready.
Kumar Verma, Mr. G. Srinivas Raju, Mr. M. E. C. V. Sagar, Dr. G. H. K. Verma, Dr. I. Pavan Kumar Verma, Mr. K. L. P. Raju.
Mr. A. Ramu, Mr. G. Israel, Mr. B. Prasad, Mr. G. Sai, Mr. B. Bhaskar, Mr. K. Chari, please be ready.
Okay, don't sir, under our page. Once again.
Dr. K. Kiran Kumar Verma, EM and H is the winner of shuttle single. Sri Venugopal Rao,
Look, sir, camera.
Department of Scholarship is
Sir,
the.
okay? Once again.
I request you to come here.
Once again.
Next event is shuttle badminton doubles. Sri E. Suresh, sir.
Sir, కొంచెం sir. Sir, allow me.
Next event is carom singles. First prize goes to
Sir, ఒకసారి కెమెరా గిఫ్ట్.
next event is chess. The winner is Department of ECE and the runner is Dr. G. N. V. Kishore. The winner is of chess event is Raju sir. Carom's winner is Sri Department of ECE.
Congratulations to all our athletes. Your passion and perseverance are truly commendable.
From mesmerizing dance performance to soulful music, not only enrich our college community but also inspire us all to appreciate the beauty of art and experience.
On the stage.
And Mobilu 2x4 Mechanical, N Purna Chandrika 2x4 Civil, P Akshay 2x4 Mechanical for AIDS. Second prize goes to K Shushma 2x4 AIDS, M Prashanti 2x4.
Classical dance solo. The next event is classical group. First prize goes to K Gauravi 2x4 CSG, Amrita 2x4 CSC. Please be ready.
Correct. Once again. Sarak sir. That's okay.
The next event is Western Solo. First prize goes to K Shivalakshmi 3x4 CSC and the second prize goes to B Deepak Vardhan 2x4 CSC. Please be ready. Western Group. First prize goes to ECE K Sai Prasanna 3x4 AML and the second prize goes to G Yashashwini 1x4 ECE, G 1x4 IT, P Yashashwini 1x4 IT. Please be ready.
Next is public speaking. P Kumar, he won first prize in numerous speech contests held at
That's okay. It's okay. Okay.
our college students from SRKR Automotive Club have participated here. They have participated in Promi 2024. I request SRKR Automotive Club to come onto the stage.
The secure overall runner-up Best Engineering Design A1 in AGICC 2025 Best Driver Lona Charya and in the Gopal Championship conducted by our college. They have bagged it. Overall second runner-up autocross winner, cost report runner-up, endurance runner-up.
Give a big round of applause to them.
That's okay.
We will be announcing the academic awards. I request all the HODs, please come to the open mic audience and occupy your seats. I kindly
like to invite the Dean of Academics. Sir, we request you to address
Is on the dais. Beloved Vice President Dr. Sri D. Rathakar, then Secretary Correspondent of our college, Sri S.R.K. Nishantan, Director Dr. Principal Dr. K.V. Muralishwaran, and all the deans and HODs on the dais, and my students and parents. Very good evening to one and all. It is an honor to stand before you on this special occasion of honoring students with excellence awards in academics on the occasion of annual day. As we reflect on the year gone by, we celebrate the achievements the hard work and the growth that has taken place within our academic community. Our students have consistently demonstrated excellence in academics, research and innovation, and I am incredibly proud of each one of you. We continue to strive for a future where knowledge, creativity and technology intersect to shape tomorrow's leaders. As educators, our mission is not only to impart knowledge but also to inspire curiosity, resilience and passion for lifelong learning. Let us continue to challenge ourselves, explore new horizons and push the boundaries of what is possible together. Okay, we will continue to nurture minds that will shape the world. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri. We will request the department, the HOD of Civil Engineering Department to come on to the dais. We cordially welcome the head of the Department of Civil Engineering on to the dais. On her behalf, Mr. Chaitanya is going to the dais. Welcome, ma'am.
The academic year 2023-2024. First rank, Rajeshri with 8.86 CGPA. Second rank, K. Snigdha Gayatri 8.7 CGPA. And D. Lakshmi Venkateswari with 8.7 CGPA. And third rank, G. Kusma Kumari with 8.6 CGPA.
We request all the dignitaries to present the certificates and awards.
Second year class toppers for academic year 2023-2024. First rank, A. Ravi with 9.46 CGPA. Second rank, B. First rank, and Sushma R. Prashna Satya Deepika with 8.95 CGPA. And third rank, S. Deepti Ramyasri and 8.92 CGPA.
The parents are present here. We request them to accompany their children along with all to the dais.
Fourth year class toppers for academic year 2023-2024. First rank, D. Yudhardhar with K. Sara Soumya, K. Deepti with 9.61 CGPA. And third rank, P. Krishna Raju with 9.52 CGPA. And second rank, K. Sara CGPA. And third rank,
Students to get ready. I request all the computer science students to get ready.
CGPA. And second rank goes to with 9.8 CGPA. Third rank goes to K. Chandni with 9.79 CGPA. With 9.52 CGPA. Third rank goes to D. Vincent Paul with 9.49 CGPA. Third rank goes to G. Renuka with 9.49 CGPA. Third rank goes to M. V. Venkat. Third year class topper for academic D. Aparna with 9.62 CGPA. Second rank goes to CGPA. Third rank goes to D. Lahiri Shrija with 9.71 CGPA. Third rank goes to S. Kusuma Sai Shri with 9.71 CGPA.
Next, the students of AIML are requested to get ready. Students of ready. The Sirisha to come on to the days. Program code. I request the students of CIC to get ready.
For academic year 2023 to 2024. First rank goes to B. Hemant with 9.51 CGPA. Second year class topper for academic year 2023 to 2024. First rank goes to D. Sarudaya with 9.62 CGPA. First Ishwari with 9.43 CGPA.
Suresh Bagaru on to the days, the program coordinator of CSG.
First year class toppers for academic year 2023-2024. Branch CSG. First rank P. Kodandaraman Naradanish with 9.3 CGPA. Second 9.1 CGPA. Third year class toppers for academic year 2023-2024. Abdul with 9.09 CGPA.
First year class topper for academic year 2023 to 2024. First 26 CGPA. Third rank goes to G. Nikilavalli for 9.15 CGPA.
Yes, the students of PCE to get ready. Head of the department of PCE on to the days.
Second academic year 2023 to 2024. First rank goes to K. for 9.38 CGPA.
Students of Triple E to get ready. I request the students. Now we cordially welcome Dr. P.R.K. Varmagaru, Head Department of Tribunal on the dais.
CGPA. Second rank G. Tarak Ram with 9.08 CGPA. And third rank B.
The students of Information Technology are requested to be ready near the stage. Students of IT department are requested to be ready.
Class numbers of the academic year 2023-2024. First rank B. Rajeshwari with 9.23 CGPA.
We request the we welcome Dr. P. Ravikumar Varmagaru, Head Department of IT.
9.54 CGPA. Third rank goes to V. Hemashri for 9.54 CGPA. First rank goes to B. Charishma for 9.47 CGPA. Second rank goes to 9.23 CGPA. Fourth year class top. Second rank goes to A. Hemasai Praneet for 9.52 CGPA. Third rank goes to Charan. Topper for academic year 2023 to 2024. First rank goes to B. Kavya for 9.8. Second rank goes to G. Vijay Durga for 9.55 CGPA. Third rank goes to first rank goes to K. Yogi Soumya for 9.5. Third rank goes to K. Kusuma for 9.40 CGPA. To A. Venkat Sriram for 9.4 CGPA. Third rank goes to C. Gauri Shivalli for 9.34 CGPA. Third rank goes to E.
Students of CSBS, please get ready. Cordially welcome Dr. B.E.S. Shekhar, Program in Shekhar.
Sai Karthikeya with 8.91 CGPA. And third rank C. Revati with 8.87 CGPA. Second rank P. Sai Krishna Nath Sahithi with 8.96 CGPA. Last toppers for academic year 2023-2024. First rank G. Praveen Lakshmi Narasimha Hanumat Rao with 9.23 CGPA. 8.95 CGPA.
Fourth year class, the students of Mechanical Engineering to be ready in the other stage. Now we cordially welcome Dr. K. Suresh Babu.
Second rank goes to I. Venkat Ravi Surya for 8.63 CGPA. Third rank goes to S. Harinath for 9.1 CGPA. Second rank goes to K. B. S. Rani for 8.82 CGPA. Third year class topper. First rank goes to P. Aditya for 4th year class CGPA.
To be ready.
From second year, first rank, MTech Computer Science and Engineering, 8.89 CGPA, and second rank, S. Pratyusha with 7.7 with 9.44 CGPA, and the
కమ్యూనికేషన్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారండి మనకంట
department. From second year,
లలిత కమల వచ్చారండి
From the Department of Triple EdTech class for 8.6 CGPA. First year class topper for academic year 2023 to 2024. First rank goes with 8.17 CGPA. Third rank K. Kamala with 4. First rank S. Yamini Priyanka with 9.41 CGPA. Congratulations to all our academic scholars. Your hard work and dedication inspire us all.
best students who have shown that with a hard work, dedication, and passion.
To all our award recipients, congratulations once again. And to everyone present here, thank you for being a part of this special celebration to reach even great heights. Now I invite Ms. Janvi to present the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Have a wonderful evening and we'll see you next tomorrow.
At 7:15 p.m. The buses will start at 7:15.
We wish you all the very best for your future. As we have reached the conclusion of the ceremony, I take it as great honor and privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to each and everyone over here. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Nishant Varnavaru, Secretary and Correspondent, SRKR Engineering College, G. Ramaraj Garu, Vice President, SRKR Engineering College, and all the management for their unwavering support and guidance. Your vision and leadership have been instrumental in shaping our institution. I extend a heartfelt thanks to the Director, Dr. M. Jagapati Rajgaru, for his constant motivation and inspiration. A special thanks to Principal Dr. K.D. Murli Krishnan Rajgaru, whose leadership and vision continue to guide us towards excellence. A big thank you to all the department HODs and deans for their dedication and mentorship, shaping the success of our students. Our extension goes to the press and media for covering this event and helping us share our achievements with the world. Thanks to the organizing team, ensure a smooth running, from logistics to technical support, from maintaining the venue to security provisions. Your contribution is invaluable and we are deeply grateful. A mighty thanks to all the parents and audience for your precious presence at the
దాంట్లో వచ్చేసి స్టేజ్ దగ్గర తోదేసుకుంటున్నాడు. నాకంటే బాగా గొడవలు